Do you want to know how you can enable Google Gemini extensions on your phone? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech AI. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can enable the Google Gemini extensions on your phone. Go ahead and open Google Gemini on your phone. Tap on your profile, which you can see on the top right hand side, and you can see extensions. Tap on it. You can see that Gemini extensions help you to bring it all together. So there are a lot of extensions such as Google Flights, Google Hotels, Maps, Workspace, and YouTube. It is currently turned off, but to turn it on, what you can do is click on this button. If it turns blue, that means that it is currently enabled. So all you can do is click on connect, which is over here, and you can see that you have now currently connected to the Google Workspace. So click connect and you can now access Gmail, Drive or Docs using your Gemini with a single fingertip or your voice command. So the last extension is YouTube. So go ahead and turn the extension on and you can see that you can discover YouTube videos and get answers about them. Go ahead and click research a topic and you can see that it has already started. So you can do this and you can currently enable the Google Gemini extensions from your phone. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.